Linear graphs. Okay, you already know the standard equation of a straight line graph is y equals mx plus c. But let's look at what that equation means. M is the slope or the gradient of the straight line, and c is where the line cuts the y-axis, which is called the y-intercept. Okay, now we're going to look at what happens when we change the slope in a straight line. Okay, there's our straight line. We've got a slope of 1, and the y-intercept is cutting through the y-axis at 1. Now if I make the slope bigger, look what happens to the line. Now it's 1.8, 2, it's getting closer to the y-axis, but it will never ever touch the y-axis. You can never have a vertical line. And if I make the slope smaller, the line moves away from the y-axis towards the x-axis until we get to 0. So a horizontal line always has a slope of 0. And if I go smaller than 0, when I get to a negative slope, you can see the line slopes the other way. Now we'll look at moving the y-intercept. So if we make it bigger, you see the line moves up the y-intercept. Now the y-intercept is at 4. Oops, 4. And if we make it smaller, we will go into negative y. So now it's negative 1. Okay, so let's go back to... So as I said, a line that goes from the left to the right is a positive slope, and a line that goes from the left to the right downwards is a negative slope. We also need to know that two lines that are parallel will have the same slope. The m will be the same. And lines that are perpendicular, which means they're at 90 degrees, if you multiply the slopes, m1 times m2, it will equal -1. Thank you.